Rupa and welcome to this series of the best Mumbai street food. And now comes something sweet, and that is something cold, and that is my favorite, and that is Falooda. Wow, it is so cooling, and especially in the season of summers is the best thing to have because you end up putting a good amount of sabza in that, and of course the cooling ice cream and the jelly and the cold milk. Wow, what a combination. So let's make the Falooda. So to make Falooda, first we need to sweeten the milk. So in a pan I'm going to take milk. So in this I'm going to add some sugar so that the milk sweetens. Once the milk comes to a boil, we'll cool it. And here in this pan I'm going to pour water because I have to make jelly. And jelly, how do you make? You have to actually buy a packet of jelly crystals and follow the packet instructions to make perfect jelly. So once this comes to a boil, I'm going to be using raspberry jelly. Whichever jelly you like, you're free to use. Coming back to the milk, we just have to give it a boil so that the sugar dissolves, and that's about it. Because the longer the milk takes to cool, that much time you will take to make the Falooda. Okay, so just give it a stir. You don't have to really reduce it like you do it for any kheer or rabdi. We have to just mix this up till the milk comes to a boil and the sugar dissolves. So this is done. Switch off the heat. Pour the milk in this bowl so that it cools faster. Now coming to the next step. What I have here is sabza seeds. If you look at it carefully, it looks like kalonji, which is nigella seeds, onion seeds. But yes, it is different. It also looks like chia seeds. And this is supposedly very, very cooling. So again, in the month of summers or during the month of summer, you should be consuming a lot of sabza to keep yourself cool. And if you want to make a Falooda, it's even more cooling. So this is sabza seed which needs to be soaked in water. If you want it to soak really fast, you can pour hot water into it, and after you soak it in water, it swells up like this. So this is what we need. We'll need it later. Coming back to the jelly crystals, the water has come to a boil. Switch it off. Just pour the entire packet content into this water. And mix this up. Mix this till it is well dissolved. We'll set it up in a tray like this. So the jelly will now set. We'll keep it in the fridge, and then when we are ready to assemble the Falooda, we'll remove it. I already have a tray in the fridge which is setting because I'm really impatient when it comes to Falooda. In this pan, I also need to put some hot water. So in this hot water, we are going to put this Falooda. And this Falooda save you get just as it is. Put it into this pan of water. The minute you put it in, it will go soft, and again it will become translucent. So just leave it in for some time. So this savia is done. You see, it's gone so soft. Just put it in a bowl, and since it's very hot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some ice over it, and we need to cool it immediately. And of course, if you just leave it as it is, it will stick together. So it's necessary to be put into water. Okay, so what are the essential ingredients to make a Falooda? A nice good set of jelly, sabza, sweetened milk, the Falooda save, nice and lots of ice cream, rose syrup, and some dry fruits. I have everything here, and I've also got my pretty looking mason jars in which I'm going to be doing my Falooda. So how do we start? So we first take a knife and the tray in which we have set the jelly. We just cut this, just cut it into random pieces. So now goes the jelly. Let's put thoda zyada, followed by some sabza. Let's put some rose syrup right away. This yellow thing, the Falooda. Now what? Now comes in the ice cream. One more. And the milk that we had sweetened and kept. And what? And some dry fruits. So, cashew. This is raisin. Just because you're asking for it, I wouldn't have put it. Okay. Now this is last, okay? A little bit of rose syrup on top. Wow. How do you have it? That's your problem. Eat it with a spoon, put in a straw, or do whatever you want, or just gulp it down this way. This is my recipe of Falooda specially for you. You have to make this at home because it is very easy. And after watching the video, you have to like, share and subscribe.